cubies, this is Elle. Today I got Rosé's solo vinyl in the mail and I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. I unboxed the album and the Kino in my channel. This one was released after, like it was released like last week I think, but there was like a period of time where you could order it. Yeah, let's get started. It's really not that chunky. I mean, it's chunkier than like a regular vinyl, right? But it's because it includes a bunch of stuff. Anyways, I actually don't remember what it came with it, but this is the front. And the back is basically the same picture as the front, but in color. So this is the spine, I guess. Okay. And then it stopped. I never thought I'd come to this. Wow. How do you open this? This is the front. Again, pictures from the photo book. Okay, let me take this out first. It's like a poster. It's actually a very cute poster. I can't fit it all in the frame because it's really big. Cute. I'm gonna keep it there for now. Anyways, this is the lyrics to On the Ground and the lyrics to Gone. And here's the actual vinyl. Side A. You can really see everything. Okay. I don't have a record player, to be honest. I have no space for one, even though I have like a bunch of vinyls. Not only like Blackpink's vinyl, but like I have Gorillaz vinyls and stuff like that, but I just don't have a vinyl player. Okay. These are just big double-sided pictures. I think they're like the same that came in the Kino, or even the same that came in the album. I like it. I'm not gonna say I don't. And then, oh, this is a lenticular. Oh, it's so cute. Here you are to read it. So cute. Oh, I forgot it came with this. I think the Kino came with like the same one as this one. And then these ones are like supposed to be designed by Rosé herself. They're super cute. And then there's a mini photo book here. With like the same image becoming clearer, I think. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. I hope you can like see it. I see it, and then the other way around. Okay, that was the way. I actually like this. Wow. But again, there's scenes from the music video. Alrighty then. That was it for the unboxing. It really doesn't include as much stuff as like the limited Blackpink LP did, but it's still super cute. I'm so happy to have it. You know Blackpink, I collect everything Blackpink. And I like vinyls a lot, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.